Here's how to split payments on Target purchase. First, open up any web browser and head over to target.com, or you can also open the Target app. Log into your account, browse through the items and add them to your cart. Once you're done, tap on the cart icon at the top of your screen. Now proceed to the checkout screen. Here, scroll down to the payment section and find the option of split payment with two cards. Select that. Here tap on add payment card, then enter the credentials of your first card, enter card number, expiry date, enter CVV and name on card. Then tap on the save option. Now input the exact dollar amount you want to charge to the first card. Now click on the another card to input your secondary credit and debit card details. The Target checkout system will automatically apply the remaining order balance to your second card. Now follow the on-screen prompts and complete the checkout process, and in this way you can easily split payment on Target. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.